Iconosquare is a popular social media management and analytics tool, but before you make the decision to buy, there are 12 things you should know. If you're already considering it or comparing it to other tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social, this video will give you a clear breakdown so you can make an informed decision. First thing to note is the pricing. Iconosquare isn't the cheapest tool out there. While it's packed with features, its cost might be a bit high for smaller businesses compared to alternatives like Buffer. It's priced competitively, but for those just starting or with a limited budget, you might want to consider if the features justify the price. Next thing, Iconosquare specializes in Instagram and Facebook analytics. It's one of the best tools for detailed metrics, especially for Instagram. If you're a business with a heavy focus on visual content, this is a major pro. However, if you're managing a wider range of platforms, such as Twitter or LinkedIn, other tools like Sprout Social might offer broader coverage. The third thing is the user interface. It's simple, clean, and easy to navigate. However, some might find it a little too basic compared to tools like Hootsuite, which offers more advanced customization. Still, Iconosquare's simplicity is a plus if you're looking for something straightforward without the learning curve. Moving on to the next point, scheduling posts. Iconosquare offers a reliable scheduling system, but it's not as feature-rich as some competitors. With tools like Buffer, you get more flexibility, such as the ability to schedule posts at any time and advanced features like post queuing. Iconosquare's scheduling might be enough for most users, but for some, more customization might be needed. The fifth thing is analytics. Iconosquare truly shines here. It provides in-depth insights that help you understand audience engagement, growth trends, and post performance. While tools like Hootsuite also offer analytics, Iconosquare's Instagram analytics are definitely superior, making it an ideal choice for Instagram-heavy brands. Next, we have the mobile app. Iconosquare's mobile app is well designed, making it easy to track analytics and schedule posts on the go. However, it can feel a bit limited in functionality compared to the desktop version. For users who need to manage everything from mobile, apps like Buffer might feel more robust. The seventh thing is customer support. Iconosquare offers responsive customer support, but it's not as comprehensive as what you might get with Sprout Social, where support is known for being more hands-on. Still, Iconosquare's support is quick and helpful, so you won't be left stranded if issues arise. Now, the eighth point, automation. Iconosquare provides some automation features like post scheduling and reporting, but its automation capabilities are fairly basic compared to more advanced tools. If automation is a high priority for you, consider tools that offer more sophisticated options. Next thing is the integrations. Iconosquare integrates with several popular social networks, including Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. However, it's lacking some integrations that other platforms, like Hootsuite, offer. For instance, integration with TikTok is limited. So, if you're relying on TikTok or other emerging platforms, Iconosquare might fall short. The 10th thing is the free trial. Iconosquare offers a 14-day free trial, giving you the chance to test out its features before committing. This is great, but be aware that it's a shorter trial compared to some competitors like Buffer, which offers a 30-day trial for its premium plans. Moving on to the next point, Iconosquare's reporting features are impressive. The tool allows you to generate detailed reports for Instagram and Facebook, but other platforms like Sprout Social or Hootsuite offer even more customization options for generating reports across multiple channels. The 12th and final thing, Iconosquare is a good option for brands focusing on Instagram and Facebook. It's easy to use, packed with great analytics, and perfect for visual-driven marketing. However, if you're managing multiple platforms or need more advanced scheduling and automation, you might find a better fit with other tools. In conclusion, Iconosquare is an excellent choice for Instagram-focused businesses looking for in-depth analytics and an easy-to-use platform. But if you want a better overall solution with more integrations, advanced automation, and broader social media coverage, check out our recommended alternative, which you can try for free.